Welcome to your step-by-step guide on claiming your O2 Open discount. O2 Open is an exclusive employee perk scheme that can save you up to 25% on the airtime portion of your monthly mobile bill. Whether you work for the NHS, a school, or a major retail brand, this presentation will show you exactly how to unlock these savings. To understand your discount, you first need to understand O2 Refresh. This contract splits your bill into two parts. The device plan is what you pay for your hardware, as in your phone, and the airtime plan is what you pay for your calls, texts, and data. Your O2 Open discount applies only to the airtime plan. You'll receive 25% off if your plan has 3 gig of data or more, and 15% off for plans with less than 3 gigabyte. Who is eligible? Thousands of organisations are part of the scheme, including healthcare and NHS staff, state-funded education workers using the code TEACH, the armed forces, maybe try the code ARM01, and major retail and corporate partners like Sainsbury's and McDonald's. If you aren't sure, simply ask your HR department for your company's unique 5-character O2 Open code. Before you buy, remember these 3 golden rules. First, you must buy directly from O2. Purchases from third-party retailers like Carrefour Warehouse do not qualify. Second, the discount is strictly for O2 Refresh contracts, SIM only, and pay-as-you-go plans are excluded. Finally, you must apply within a strict 28-day window of starting your contract. There are 0 exceptions to this deadline. O2 offers several discount schemes, so make sure you're choosing the best value for your situation. While O2 Open offers up to 25% off airtime, the friends and family discount, which requires an invite from an O2 staff member, can offer up to 50%. Students with uni days and those adding multiple lines via multi-save are also eligible for 20% discounts. Just note that you generally cannot stack these discounts. You must choose one. Step 1 is the code check. The easiest way to find your employer's code is to text OPEN followed by the company name to 61202. If it fails, try different variations. For example, if you work for the health service, try NHS or your specific health trust name to find the correct match. Step 2, purchase your device. To remain eligible, you must buy a brand new phone, tablet, or mobile broadband device on an O2 Refresh contract directly from an O2 store or o2.co.uk. Once your contract is live, the 28-day countdown to apply your discount begins. Step 3, log into the portal. Visit o2.co.uk/open and sign in using your standard MyO2 username and password. Once inside, you'll be prompted to enter the 5-character employer code you retrieved in step 1. You have 2 paths. Path A is the fast track. If you have a work email address, O2 will send you a verification link to click. If you don't have a work email, follow path B by providing your national insurance number and uploading a recent pay slip or ID card. Manual verification usually takes up to 3 days. When uploading a pay slip, your privacy is priority. You only need to show your name, employer name, date, which must be within the last 3 months, and your national insurance number. You can black out your salary, bank details, and home address. Teachers, you have the added option to upload a photo of your school ID badge instead of your payslip. This is the most important step. You must log back in to activate your savings. Once you receive your approval email, return to the O2 Open portal and hit apply to link the discount to your mobile number. Your discount will typically appear on your second month's bill and is not applied retrospectively. Did you know you can have 2 O2 Open discounts? You are allowed 1 discount for a voice contract, that would be your phone, and a second discount for a data contract, which would be a tablet or mobile broadband. Just be aware that the Apple Watch airtime plans are strictly excluded from all O2 Open discounts. A final tip: if you miss the 28-day window, you are locked out for this contract. You must wait until your next upgrade date to apply. However, if you change jobs or your employer leaves the scheme after you've signed up, your discount remains active until the end of that specific O2 refresh contract. So to recap, check your code via 61202, buy your refresh contract directly from O2, verify your employment within 28 days, and always remember to log back in to hit apply. And that's basically it.